Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try and regrow some potatoes. Now what I did was I saw that some of my potatoes had those eyes on them. So I heard so much about just regrow them. So I'm going to try it. So I have some containers left over from my garden, from when I purchased some vegetable plants for my garden and some fruit plants for my garden. So I put my favorite compost and soil combination that I make in these pots, and let's try it, right? Can't hurt. So I think they go eye down, or is it eye up? I'm not quite sure. So let's just see how it goes, okay? We got some smaller ones in here too. And I will plant these in the garden once they start to sprout. And let's cover these up. And then water them. And then that'll be it. And then we'll just see. And of course I'll do update videos on these guys. Let me get my hose. Yay, crotch rockets. God's sake. And that's it. Alright. Short, sweet, to the point. That's how I like it. Alright. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.